Nestled in the highly desirable Muirlands neighborhood in La Jolla sits the stunning property 1414 Muirlands Drive. Located on a canyon with no neighbors behind, this beautiful home boasts breathtaking canyon to ocean views while being in a highly coveted location close to all of San Diego's most prized attractions. With a special flagstone driveway leading to the private and serene courtyard entrance, this 4-bedroom, 5-bath home has been artfully renovated to include a touch of traditional and modern elements, creating a charming feel seen throughout this 3,500 square foot home. Entertain in the sunlit living room with its high ceilings, custom built-ins, and beautiful fireplace, with doors leading outside to the expansive backyard, or relax in the family room with views of the glistening ocean and La Jolla Village. The gourmet kitchen comes fully equipped with vaulted ceilings, stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry, and a large prep island. The nearby formal dining room with a fireplace provides the perfect space to host dinner parties while also providing access to the outdoor living spaces. Unwind in the oversized master retreat featuring a spacious sitting area, built-in cabinetry, and a spa-inspired master bath with dual sink vanities and a soaking tub with views of the backyard. With 3 additional ensuite bedrooms and an interior spiral staircase providing access to a bonus or office studio, this home has everything you may need. Enjoy the quintessential Southern California lifestyle in this expansive backyard, featuring a sparkling pool, mature landscaping, and jaw-dropping views of the canyons all the way to the Pacific Ocean. The prized location, beautiful living spaces, and stunning views, this rare Muirlands home is truly a treasure.